Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Dear children, in our last class, we have discussed the grammar textual exercises, section A and section B. And now, we will discuss the next section C, using do or does in a sentence. We usually use do or does in simple present tense. In which tense? Yeah, simple present tense. And not is used with do or does to form a negative sentence. For example, I do not like ice cream. Not is used with do to form a negative sentence. I hope you understand this session. What is it? Not is used with do or does to form a negative sentence. What is the sentence? I do not like ice cream. Not is used with do to form a negative sentence. So I have already told you that do or does is used in simple present tense. But there are some rules. I hope all of you know these rules. What is the rule? Yeah, do. Do is used with plural subject. Plural subject. What are they? Yeah, they, we. Then plural nouns such as Rahul and Radha. There are two persons, isn't it? And I. I is singular, but there are exception that we consider I and you as plural. So this subject takes do. Then when will we use does? Yeah, does always takes a singular subject. What are the singular subjects or pronouns? Yeah, Radha. There is only one person, so that is singular. Then he, she, it. Dog. It's only one dog. So, after all these subjects, we use does. Do you understand? Yeah. So, what are the rules? Do takes plural subjects. Does take singular subject. For example, I do. You do. They do. We do. Rahul and Rohit do. Then, Radha does. She does. He does. It does. Dog does. In the same way, we use not along with do or does. In the same pattern. Understand? Yeah. Let us do the textual exercises. Page number 52. Last box. We also follow this rule when we use, for session, do or does plus verb. Example, my brother does gardening on Sundays. My brother is the singular subject, so does come. Second example, my brothers do gardening on Sundays. Here, my brothers is plural subject, so do. Second rule, do not or does not plus verb to make negative sentences in the simple present tense. Example, Robert does not want to change the clock again. I have told you Robert is singular subject. So we use does. And it is a negative sentence. So use not. Does not. Second example. The children do not want to change the clock again. The children is the plural subject. So do for it takes do. And it is a negative sentence. We use not. So, the children do not want to change the clock again. Page number 53, section C. Complete these sentences with suitable words of your choice. Here you have to use suitable subject or suitable predicate. First one, Rishi does not like loud music. It's already the answer is given. We added suitable predicate. Second one, dash go to the park every day. We have to write the subject part. Here what we have to use? See the verb. Verb is go. Go is the plural verb. So subject also should be plural. So what can you write there? You can write your own sentences. Now I am writing here Rahul and Rini. Rahul and Rini go to the park every day. Third question, we dash. We, subject is already given, then we have to write the predicate part. You can write your own choice, but should be correct sentence. Yes, I write here, we do not like cool drinks. We do not like cool drinks. Likewise, you can write another sentence. Okay. Question number 4. I did not dash. I did not. You have to write the predicate part. What? What can you write? Yeah, I did not do my homework. I did not do my homework. Question number 5. Dash climb the tree. You have to write subject. And the verb is climb. Climb is plural verb. So you have to use plural subject. So what can you write here? Yes, monkeys. Monkeys, plural subject, monkeys. Monkeys climb the tree. Okay, so my dear children, you can write your own answers here. Do it by yourself. Okay. Dear children, today we discussed the section C grammar exercise. We have to complete the blanks using correct apt words. So I have done it for you. It is my opinion, my own sentences. Likewise, you can do it your own. You can do it by using your own sentences and words. Okay, do it by yourselves. And if you have any doubt, you can call me. That's all for today. Thank you.